Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok app if it says unable to authorize. Please try again, okay? This usually happens when you try to log in. So first up, at least try to do a restart, okay? Restart your phone. Once that's done, try to launch or log back into TikTok and check if it helps. If that won't work, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store, okay? Go ahead and check if an update is available. Tap on search, go to the search bar, look for TikTok. Hit on enter, wait for it. Now if the TikTok app got an update, just go ahead and update the app. And once done, try to log back in again and check if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and find the TikTok app icon, okay? If you're using an iOS, go ahead and go to settings. Now tap on general. Now under general, you have storage, okay? You'll be able to find all of your apps. Just find TikTok. Now go ahead and tap on it and tap on offload data or offload app. Once that's done, just launch a TikTok and it should work. Now for Android, tap and hold on the app. Go to the information icon. Now go ahead and find storage. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache. Once that's done, tap on clear data. Hit on OK. Wait for it to finish. And once done, just go launch TikTok and relog in. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.